This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard to your iPhone. So with these keyboards, this is an Anchor keyboard, we need to make sure it's turned on first. So I'm going to go to the off position and then the on position and just double check you got batteries in here. Sometimes you might not. And there should be a little light on the keyboard somewhere that'll tell you it's on. Right here's mine. And on this keyboard I need to go to the FN key and the Bluetooth button. And I have to press these down to put it in the Bluetooth pairing mode where this light blinks. Once we get that, just go to settings on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth is turned on, other devices right here, it says keyboard, hit keyboard. Now you might have to type in a code on the screen, so look at the screen, type that in and press enter. So mine is 4259, press enter. And now it should be connected to your iPhone, and you can go ahead and use this to type. I think you can use the arrow keys to move up and down. Never mind, you can't. So it's connected right here. You can just go to the eye, you can disconnect it, or forget this device from the phone. And now it's on paired. So just make sure this is turned on, put it in the Bluetooth pairing mode, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.